Look at mommy. Kingston! Look, are you at the pumpkin patch? Are you in the barrel?
Hey, Corinne, get the video.
Corinne, I'm gonna get her. Corinne!
Hey.
What are you doing?
Kingston.
You're playing? Are you finding pumpkins? No?
Kingston. Hey.
She wants to play? Oh. Corinne, come here.
Hey, Kingston.
Show me your pumpkin.
Do you like it?
Oh.
Are you going to paint it? He wants out.
Kingston. Kingston, look at mommy. Or not, just...
I'm so interested.
I know.
Hey, you.
Hey. King. Would it be funny if I was just videotaping me just...
Alex, do you want this pumpkin or not?
Hey.
No.
Say cheese.
I know which one I want. I'm just waiting for the bee to go away.
Hey.
Kingston. Okay. Well, say happy Halloween.
That is so cute.
Kingston. Hey.
Happy Halloween!
Look at me.
Okay.